Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Explore the steps to seamlessly move your WordPress website from one hosting service to another. This detailed guide walks you through the migration process, ensuring minimal downtime and hassle-free transfer between hosting providers. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, in this specific video, we are going to go through these article that will explain to us in a brief on how we can actually connect our WordPress website with or move our WordPress website from our account to another, which is basically like moving from a hosting to another hosting. Well, the first thing is basically we're gonna read what are the steps to follow. So these are the main steps that you are going to follow in this video. So first of all, we need to sign up to a new host, back up your website files, export your database from your existing host, create a MySQL database on your new host, edit the wp config php file on your website files, and of course, you should import, upload, and upload your DNS settings. So we are going to read all of these articles, and we will gonna be understanding each step by step. And I'm going to do it in my local host over here, and I'm going to explain it to you in it as well. So let's get started with this first step. So guys, the first thing, as you could see here in front of us, is the sign up to your new host. So the first thing is when you think of transferring your WordPress, you should decide first to whom you want to transfer your hosting to. So in general, there is so many hostings in the market. So there is, for example, there is, as you can see here, Bluehost, there is DreamHost, A2 Hosting, there is Hostinger, there is GoDaddy Hosting, there is dozens and dozens of hostings that you can go for. So simply the most convenient thing is, of course, to go ahead and sign up in that specific hosting that you want to host your website at. Then the next thing is to, of course, go to one of them. So let's go and open one of them, as you can see. And the thing that comes after is basically you creating an account in that hosting and choosing one of their templates or one of their packages. It comes in different prices. It comes with different kind of features, and it's completely up to you to decide which one you could go for. But try to make it, let's say for example, you have a big WordPress website that has dozens and dozens of like people that are enjoying like your content, and at the same time like there is users that are a lot and there is content that is a lot, so there is a big space that needs to be received by the other hosting. So make sure that you have enough hosting inside of that new hosting, so enough gigabytes, enough for example here, as you can see, there is unlimited traffic, which is pretty nice. And of course, you need enough size for your own account. So everything should be put in mind with each step you are doing. So right after you do so, the next step that comes is basically back up your website's files. So there is a lot of plugins that can actually help you to back up your files, starting with the most useful one, which is the most known. It's called All-in-One. Here we go. So simply just go to your WordPress website, search for All-in-One with WP migration, which is All-in-One WordPress migration. Click here. So here it is for mine. It is very useful tool that can literally make anything that you want, from backupping, uploading, or exporting or importing stuff very easily on your WordPress website. So here, as you can see, simply all you need to do is to go to your install plugins, and then you could go here and search for it and make it like turn it on. So here we go. So this is All-in-One WP migration. Let's go out, activate it, go here, and simply export your files that you have on your WordPress website. So here, as you can see, there is a lot of files, starting like a lot of platforms that you can export your files into, from File, FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive, there is Amazon S3, Backblaze B2, OneDrive, Box, Mega, Google Cloud. So there is dozens, or you can simply just upload it as a file. So let's export it as a file, and this is what will appear to us. So now we only need to wait for it until it is fully loaded inside of our PC, then all the files will be zipped into our account or our like one zip file that we can simply just download it in our PC and save it in it as well. So now, as you can see, this is now at 50%. So the next thing to do is to only wait for it until it is fully downloaded on our PC. We just have to wait. It doesn't take too much time for me because I don't have that many of files on my PC or on my WordPress website. But for you guys, you should really take in consideration because maybe you have like let's say that you have a website like Amazon where you have like gigabytes and terabytes of files that you need to be downloaded, so it will take that like a lot of time, a lot of hours, maybe days. But for me, I only have like small website that doesn't need that much of time. So as you can see, has been exported, and even look, my small website that doesn't have anything, it has already 71 megabytes of files. So now I have downloaded it, and now let's go to the second thing, which is here like other plugins. So for me, I used all-in-one migration. You could use AppDraft plus WordPress backup plugin, backup WordPress pub, a WordPress backup plugin. There's WordPress backup and Migrate plugin, and there's Jetpack by WordPress. So you can use whatever you want from these to help you. Then I have already exported. Now you have to export your database from your existing host. So since I have my hosts like in WordPress, or most of us have their hosts in WordPress, everything will be exported already with these files that I have already like exported. Just to make sure, you could go to like your hosting, in case you had a real hosting other than WordPress. Go to your hosting and export the files from it as well. So this is the most important thing. Now after you do that, so this is like an example of how you can export. This is the cPanel, how it looks like. Simply just click on the export button that will be in the like in your like cPanel, and then click on export. Then you will be choose between quick or custom export. Just choose whether which one you want, and then the file shall be exported. Then you should simply create a MySQL database on your new host, and edit the WP PHP file on your website files. So you can basically change your database name, change the database username, database password, and host. And after that, as you can see, this is what you should be looking for, these things. And then simply just go ahead and import your saved database into your new host, as you can see. So simply go to PHP my admin and upload it right there. And this is basically it. This is how you can migrate your WordPress website from your WordPress account into another hosting. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If there is any more question you have in mind, make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. I will make sure to read all of them, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.